Alright, let's look at the homework 7.5, 7.6, problem number 5. Alright, so we have this duration of certain drugs function, so d of x comma y as is given here. Then we want to find the xy value basically to minimize this function. Alright, so let's do that. So basically we just have to find the critical point. So we take the partial of d with respect to x. So we'll get 2x, and derivative of that is 0. That's going to give us 16, and that's going to be 0. That's going to give us plus 2y. Derivative of 180 is 0. Right? So we set that equal to 0. Then we take the partial of d with respect to y. Alright, so that's 0, so you get 8y, that's 0 minus 22, and then you have a 2x, and that's 0, so set that equal to 0. Alright, so what we get is, let's see, everyone seems to have 2. Maybe I'm going to just go ahead and divide through by 2. Just so that I don't have to deal with big numbers. So you have x and a minus 16. Actually, I'm going to put the minus 16 over to the other side, but so divide by 2. So it's going to be, sorry, I'm doing 2 steps in one shot. So that's going to be 8, because divide by 2, and plus y. Right? So we have that. And here, I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to actually add 22 over here, then divide by 2 at the same time. So you're going to have, let's see, 2x going to give us x, right? Divide by 2 plus 4y is equal to 22 divided by 2, so it's 11, right? So we have that. Then from here, we can just do a subtraction. So let's see, I'm going to do a subtraction here, right? Then you have x minus x is 0. X minus 4x is negative 3, y minus 4y is negative 3y. 8 minus 11 is negative 3. Right? So we can divide through by negative 3 to get y equals 1. Right? So we can plug y equals 1 back into this equation. We get x plus 1 is equal to 8, and which means that by subtracting 1, x equals 7. Right? So this is a critical point. So x represents the first drug, and y represents the second drug. So 7, 1. Right? Let's try that. 7 and comma 1. Right? So let's submit for testing. Alright, I came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.